In this video, I'm going to talk to you about products versus offers in Kajabi. It can be a little confusing, but it gives you so much flexibility with your business. So let's dive in. I use Kajabi for a little bit of everything. I run my membership, it does all my email marketing, I sell my courses, and they just started offering digital downloads and newsletters, so I'm going to use those as well. Now, Kajabi's pricing is based on the number of products that you get. So 1 product, 3 products, 15 products. This is the one that I have the growth plan. So what does that actually mean? And does that mean that you can only sell 15 different things? If you know me, no, because I sell about 1 million things. So let me show you what that looks like. Products are going to be every individual thing that you sell. So courses, coaching, communities, podcasts, newsletters, and downloads are all different types of products. So you'll see these all listed right here, and you might see that there's 16, but I said I had that growth plan that only includes 15. This is because Kajabi is now letting you use 1 product for all of your downloads. So you can have as many different downloads as you want, and they're only going to take up 1 product space. This is super helpful because I have a ton of different digital downloads that I'd like to sell. I have a whole other video on how you set up these digital downloads in Kajabi, but this one I'm going to focus on the difference between the products and the offers. So now I've shown you what the product looks like. This I like to think of as the content. And then the offer is basically just the checkout. It is deciding how these things are packaged up and sold and for how much. So if you want to sell things in different bundles, if you want to sell things in different price points, if you want to offer a payment plan and also a pay in full plan, if you want to A/B test price points, give something away for free, etc., that's where offers come in. So we're going to go into our downloads product and create an offer. So I have these 2 digital downloads. I'm going to show you how I'd create an offer where we bundle both of these things. So I'll just go into one of them. You can also go into sales and offers over here. Now in this product, I am just seeing the exact product. This is what you'll get when you buy the checklist. And if you click this eye, you can see exactly what it looks like. It's got some of my branding, colors, fonts, etc. And then they can download all of the files right here. As you can see, we already have 1 offer that's $19 just for the checklist. But what if we wanted to add a bundle with the pricing calculator? We'll click add offer over here. So we'll say pricing calculator and 10 steps bundle. You can make it something catchier. It's already got this 10-step invitation design checklist as a selected product. And then we'll just add the pricing calculator or any of the other ones that we want. You can actually sell any types of products together. So you can sell a course with a download, you can sell a membership with a podcast, etc. And we'll click continue. Now you can make this offer free or you can make it paid. You'll just have to have your payments set up or you won't see anything here. The options for paying are multi-pay, which is like a subscription, but it ends. So this is like a payment plan. And then you have a subscription, which keeps going forever until they cancel it, or you have a one-time payment. Since this is a bundle, we'll do a one-time payment and say $27. So you can get the checklist for $19, but you might want to add on and get that bundle for $8 more. A cool new feature is that you can let customers pay what they want. So you can set a minimum price and then they can just pay anything above that, which is kind of fun. I do some charitable like webinars sometimes. So that could be a really fun option where they could donate however much they want. And I could set a minimum of $5, $10, whatever I wanted to set. Now I use Kajabi payments. You can also use Stripe or you can do none. And then you can add some of these additional options. I'll add Apple Pay and PayPal. Click continue. Now I'm just going to edit this to my branding color. For the pay button, you can change this to let's do it or get the checklist, whatever you want. And then adding some things to the checkout fields. So I like to add name because then if I'm doing email marketing with this client later, when I put, hey, name, it will fill in an actual name as opposed to leaving that blank. You can add any of these other fields if they're important to you as well. And then you can add custom terms and conditions or give it a default text, or you can include custom text or nothing. So for a digital download, you might want to say that, results aren't guaranteed. If you're saying, $10,000 to $20,000 a month or whatever, scale to $20,000 a month. Or you can just say no refunds on digital products. Now we'll save and we'll finish and we'll open up our offers section and the specific offer, which is the pricing calculator plus the 10 steps bundle. The one downfall to having products and offers separate here in Kajabi is that you have to edit the checkout page as well as the product page itself. And sometimes that can feel annoying or I forget to do it, but it's really nice to have that flexibility of selling these products in a bunch of different ways. So here I will just add a new thumbnail. All of these thumbnails are 1280 by 720, which is the exact dimensions of a YouTube thumbnail. So if you go over to Canva and just type in YouTube thumbnail, you'll see a bunch of templates. I used this one over here, and then I just edited it for my branding colors and the information in my bundle. Now on the offer, you're going to see a lot of different options. Some of them I just leave blank most of the time, but you can do everything that you want to. Edit checkout will show you what the actual checkout is going to look like, and you can change what a lot of this looks like. So this little banner here, you can change the image. You can also disable it. You can add your logo. For something like this, I might just keep it really, really simple at the top. Then you can add in any of the information you want about this bundle. You can also put terms and conditions down here. There's a video portion, hero image, as well as some testimonial options. Again, if you need anything additional in the form fields, you can select it here or add a custom field. For instance, what type of business are you in? Or what's your favorite color, etc. In additional settings, you can require them to log in or agree to a service agreement. If you click required there, then you'll see this button pop up and you can then edit what that looks like. And you can also see the mobile layout here. A really cool thing in this section is an order bump. So this is an additional offer, and this can be any offer that you have. Let's say this $33 Adobe Basics course, and I'll just click Learn Adobe too. You want this to be something that's related to whatever you're offering them, because it's going to be right here on the same page. And you'll see that text, they can click and add it on. So if I preview this page, see it right here, we can add this on. And now instead of $27, I am paying $60 for that additional piece. Really easy for them to add on and for you to make more money. After we've edited our checkout, we'll go back into the offer and look at some other options. You can allow the access to only begin on a specific date, or you can restrict it to a specific amount of days. So this is after the effective member start date. So they only have a year of access to this. They only have a month to access it, etc. You can also choose where they go post-purchase. So you can do a custom thank you page or any of your landing pages that you also have here in Kajabi. And you can do a post-purchase email. So custom email just saying, hey, thanks, this is great. So glad you got the checklist, etc. Or you can just do none here. And then with automations, you can do so many things. I'm not going to dive into this too much in this particular video, but as soon as they have purchased this particular offer, then you can do a lot of things. Grant or revoke another offer. You can deactivate them from a different offer if they're like switching over to this offer. You can put them in or out of an email sequence, register or deregister for an event, add or remove tags, send a specific email, send a coupon, or send them a certificate of completion or something. So a great example is just sending an email to them after they sign up. Or you can also, I love to do this, is just send an email to my team saying, hey, someone bought the pricing calculator and 10 steps bundle. And that's just a little affirmation for me. I get really excited when I see that someone has purchased that, or if there's any instructions that your team has to follow after they purchase, this is a great option. So a million things you can do with automations. I'm not going to go too far into that right now. You can change up the pricing here in this tab if you need to, and set a quantity limit. So it's only available 10 times, or it's only available until a week from today, etc. So no one will accidentally buy it after that. This section will allow you to add an upsell, which is after purchase. So as opposed to that order bump where you can just click it and it will add it onto your cart, this is an after purchase. I've already purchased the bundle, and hey, also I'm giving you 20% off this next course. Do you want to add that as well? And you can do a lot of things here in this after purchase flow. These are great ways to increase your revenue by just offering people things they've already shown interest in. One thing that you offer, give them another option to further their journey there. And then there are a few things in settings such as sending as a gift, or you can do any kind of notifications, or if you want to send this to like MailChimp, etc. You can do a lot of your email marketing here in Kajabi. So I really like to keep everything integrated. It's one of my favorite things about Kajabi. But if you don't, then that's okay. And we also can do an affiliate commission. So if you have affiliates set up, which will be here in sales affiliates, some offers can be selected to be available for affiliate commission or not. If I activate, then I'll be able to put in here, 20% goes to my affiliates, and it will automatically populate on all of my affiliates page where they'll get a link directly to this offer. One option I love is these cart abandonment emails. So if someone gets to the cart and doesn't complete their checkout, you can send them an email, and you can do that by offer. So if there's some offers you don't want to send that for, that is okay. Now we'll just save all of our different settings. And now I think a good way to understand how this works is if we go back into our downloads product, you'll be able to see that we have 2 offers that include this product. So we have our 10-step invitation design checklist for $19, and then we have our pricing calculator and 10 steps bundle for $27. And here we can actually see analytics based on each individual offer. We can see how much they've made, how much our order bump is making us, total purchases, etc. So now that we understand how products and offers work, I want to point out one thing, which is that all of these plans go by number of products, but you have unlimited offers no matter how many products you have. So I have 15 products, including unlimited downloads as just one product slot, and I can mix and match those however I want. So I can mix and match all of my different courses, my communities, my podcasts, my newsletters, my downloads, as much as I want, and have as many offers as I want. I have 16 products right now, but I have like 45 offers or something. So if you want to sell the same thing in a lot of different ways, this gives you a lot of different flexibility to do that. I hope this video was helpful in explaining offers and products in Kajabi. Let me know what you think. If you have any other questions about Kajabi, I promise to be honest with you. And if you did enjoy this video, I would love if you would use my link to sign up for your 30-day free trial with them. I'll get a small commission, but it helps me film these nice tutorials for you and show you how to use all the different features here in Kajabi. Thanks, everyone. If you want to become a stationery designer, I have all the tools you need to start, grow, and scale your business, from pricing to Adobe tutorials to tools that will help with color print matching, because we all know that's a struggle. I got a little bit of everything at the resources link below, and you can book a one-on-one consult if you're not sure where to start.